What is up? DIY Nader Tater is back. Gonna talk about how to restore your appliance using spray paint. Believe it or not, this appliance used to look like that. Disgusting, right? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to make it beautiful. All right, so I'm going to show you what I did and the things that I used to make this look brand new. The very first thing I bought was some appliance epoxy. There are several brands that work. This one worked beautifully for me. I also got some masking tape to mask up the areas I did not want spray paint to be on. Take your time and do a good job cleaning off all the dirt and grime from your appliance. This will help the paint to stick easier. Use some tape to mask off the areas you do not want paint to get on. This can be any buttons and switches and light bulbs. Read and follow all directions on your spray can. You'll want to paint with very thin coats and maybe even sand between coats.